Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change audio balance for your headphones Philips. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on on Android device, and then I will move to iOS. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also that part to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your Android, open settings and then go to the accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom, so we need to scroll down, enter into accessibility, then scroll down again, and right here we have audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance, so you need to move it and test it. We just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. If you have the problem with the left earbud, the same, you need to move this dot to the left, but again, you need to find a good balance, so test it. And again, we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, you need to open settings and then go to accessibility, what located under the general settings, so maybe you need to scroll down a bit, enter into accessibility, scroll down again, and right here in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, ear cup, you just move this dot to the left, but we need to find a good balance here. We just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for your right ear cup. If you have the problem with the right ear cup, just move this dot to the right. Again, you need to find a good balance here, so we need to test it. And again, we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!